Want to create powerful image layout in PowerPoint? Stick around. We will show you how to master this in just few minutes. Effective visuals are key to engaging presentations. Today, we will show you how to create stunning image layout in PowerPoint that will wow your audience. Most PowerPoint slides are too plain. Without the right layout, your visuals can lose their impact. But what if you could create professional, eye-catching image layout in just few steps? Let's solve this together. First, set your slide background. Go to Insert, click on Picture and select your image. Cut the picture. Go to Format Background and insert it as a picture or texture fill. Insert a flowchart shape. Hold down the Shift key to create a perfect circle. Align it to the middle and apply a slide background fill. Select outline color and increase width size. Add a rightward shadow with width as 103 and blur as 12 for depth. After that, select circle, drag it, then align middle from align. Add a rightward shadow with size 103 and blur 12. Go to fill and click on slide background fill. Click on no line from line. Select text box with shape and group them, then send to back. After that, we are adding a text box with a information about the PPT. Duplicate the slide, insert another image and set it as a background. Move the content to the top. Rotate the flowchart shape counterclockwise and rotate the circle clockwise. Go to Transition, select Morph and reduce the duration. Add a wind up sound effect for a extra touch of professionalism. I have downloaded this from Pixabay and link in the description. Create 2 more slides using the same process. Finally, go to first slide and click on slideshow to see stunning rotating transition in action. And that's it. Rotating transition can elevate your presentation by adding visual interest and keeping your audience engaged. Don't underestimate their power. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my other videos for more presentation tips. Let me know in the comments how you are planning to use these transitions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative PowerPoint hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.